Now see this example, how to rationalize the denominator. 3 upon root 5 plus root 3. What is the rationalizing factor of root 5 plus root 3 is what? Root 5 minus root 3. So we will multiply and divide by the rationalizing factor of root 5 plus root 3. So we will write here root 5 plus root 3 multiply by root 5 minus root 3 upon root 5 minus root 3. Now numerator we will multiply numerator to numerator. So 3 into root 5 minus root 3. Here a plus b, a minus b is what? A square. What is the a square? Minus b square. Now we will open the bracket. 3 into root 5. 3 root 5. Minus 3 into root 3. 3 root 3. Upon what is the square root of 5 square? Is 5 minus 3. So 3 root 5 minus 3 root 3 upon 2. Upon 2. So you can write 3 upon 2 common nikal. Root 5 minus root 3. This is the answer. So what we have to do, student? We have to find out the first rationalizing factor of the denominator, and that with that rationalizing factor we have to multiply and divide, and then we have to solve it. In this way we will solve these questions. Get it, students? Now some typical question I will take. How to find the rationalizing factor of the denominator? Let us see the question answer of this now. The some typical one typical question is what? How to find the rationalizing factor of 7 upon root 15 plus 2 root 2. See here. This is the question. So what is the RF of denominator? Rationalizing factor of denominator is what? 15 root 15 minus 2 root 2. This is your RF of the denominator. So we will multiply and divide by the its RF factor. So what is this? Root 15 minus 2 root 2 upon root 15 minus 2 root 2. Now multiply with this. 7 into root 15, 7. Plus minus 5 minus 7 into 2, 14. 14 root 2 upon a plus b, a minus b. So root 15 whole square minus 2 root 2 whole square. Now students see, 7 root 15 minus 2 root 15. So 7 root 15 minus 7 into 2 root 2 upon 15 minus 2 square is what? 4 into root 2 square is 2. So 7 is the common. So here root 15 minus 2 root 2 upon 15 minus 8. The answer is what? 7 root 15 minus 2 root 2 upon 7 cancel. So answer is root 15 minus 2 root 2. Our answer is what? Root 15 minus 2 root 2. Again I will do. What is the rationalizing factor of root 15 plus 2 root 2? Is what? Is root 15 minus 2 root 2. So we will multiply and divide with the rationalizing factor. So when you multiply it for 7 root 15 minus 14 root 2 upon a plus b square. A square minus b square is root 15 square minus 2 root 2 whole square. So 7 root 15 minus 7 into 2 root 2 upon root 15 square is what? 15 minus 4. 2 square is what? 4. And root 2 square is what? 2. So 15 minus 8 is what? 7. And we will take out the 7 common. So what is left here? Root 15. And what is left here? Minus 2 root 2. So 7 cancel. So our answer is what? Root 15 minus 2 root 2. The only one more question we will do. Then we will finish our chapter. The one question is that Find the value of A and B. Find value of A and B if 2 plus root 3, if 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2 upon 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2 is equal to A plus B root 6. We have to find the answer in this form. So, find the value of A and B. Don't afraid, it's very simple, same question. We have to write first see the rationalizing factor of the denominator and multiply it with the numerator and denominator. We will get the answer in the form of this. Then we will find the value of A and B. We will solve it. So what we will do? We will multiply and divide by the rationalizing factor of denominator. 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2. What is the rationalizing factor is? 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2 upon 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2. Open the bracket. A plus B means A plus B whole square upon A square minus B square. So A is what? 2 root 3 minus B whole square. So it is in the form of A plus B whole square. A square means 2 ka square is what? 4 and root 3 square means 3. A square plus B square. What is your B? 3 root 2 is B. So what is the square of 3 root 2? 3 square is what? 9. And root 2 square means what? 2. Plus 2 into A into B upon 2 square is what? 4 into 3 minus 3 square means what? 9 into 2. Now we will solve this. 4 3s are what? 12 plus 9 2s are 18 plus 2 into 2 root 3 means 4 root 3. 2 into 2 4. 4 3s are 12. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 3s are 12. And root 3 into root 2 is what? Root 6 upon 12 minus 18 upon 12 minus 18. So it becomes what? 12 plus 18 is 30 plus 12 root 6 upon minus 6. When we will take 30 minus 6, 30 upon minus 6 plus minus minus 12 root 6 upon 6. 6 1 are 6, 6 5 are 30. So what is the A? So it is a minus 5 and it is in the form of minus 5, 6 1 are 6, 6 2 are 12 minus 2 root 6. When you solve it, 30 plus 12 root 6 upon minus 6. So we will take first part 30 upon minus 6 minus plus minus 12 root 6 upon 6. So we will differently divide by minus 6 by each term. First term is 30 upon minus 6. Other term is plus minus minus 12 root 6 upon 6. When you divide it, 6 1 are 6, 6 5 are 30. So it is minus 5. And 6 1 are 6, 6 2 are 12. Minus 2 root 6. So it is in the form. So what is your A? A is equal to what? Minus 5. And what is your B? B is equal to minus 2 root 6. Simply we have to first rationalize the denominator and write the answer in the form. So what is your A? A is what? Minus 5. And B is what here? Minus 2 root 6. So we will rationalize the denominator in this way.